Welcome to our channel. If you accidentally deleted photos on your Android device and want to recover them, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore your images. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. This app automatically backs up photos if you have backup enabled in your settings. Step 2. Tap the library icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your photo library and management options. Step 3. Select Trash or Bin from the library menu. Deleted photos are stored here for 60 days before being permanently removed. Step 4. Browse through the deleted photos to find the images you want to restore. You can scroll through or use the search function to locate specific photos. Step 5. Tap on the photo you want to recover to open it in full view, or tap and hold to select multiple photos at once for batch restoration. Step 6. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner, or look for the Restore button at the bottom of the screen. Step 7. Tap Restore to move the selected photos back to your main photo library. The photos will return to their original albums and dates. Step 8. Check your main photo library to confirm the photos have been successfully restored. If photos aren't in the trash, check your device's file manager for recently deleted files or consider using third-party recovery software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.